Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. So this was an absolutely epic ride. We had so much fun. We were at Turkey Point mountain bike trails. It's about an hour and a half away from here. So we did this at the beginning of like a family camp trip. So we drove to Rock Point Provincial Park. We set up our campsite. We drove another 40 minutes to Turkey Point, and we rode our bikes, and we got wet, and we got muddy, and we had so much fun. It was probably one of the better days we've had on a bike in a while. Like, we were both saying that, and we both still talk about it. So yeah, this to me epitomizes what mountain biking is and means to us. So we were by no means going fast at all at any point in this video. We didn't do any big, huge features. So the last time we rode Turkey Point was 4 years ago, and Owen was 9. So there was a lot of reminiscing during this ride, and just like remembering the fact that, you know, he used to ride his Nat Camara 24-inch. I used to ride my giant Revel 2 26-inch, and yeah, it just brought us back to those days 4 years ago, and the stuff that we used to think was big is now extremely small in comparison. So, but I think what really made this ride so much fun was the fact that it felt like we were on an adventure. This is like, to us, this is a true adventure riding. We were on an adventure. We had no set schedule. We knew what trails that we wanted to ride, specifically one which was Toxicity and Fox on the Run, and of course the burn for those 2 little baby log drops that we thought were so big 4 years ago. It's so crazy to think like we actually thought that those were big, but the fact that it was raining on and off, sometimes heavy, sometimes light, thunder, lightning, whatever, made the trails very slick and very sketchy because of that, and that just makes it that much more fun. So neither of us went down. I think it's a true testament to the rubber that we're riding, and also I'm going to just go out on a limb and say I think it's a testament to how far we've come as actual riders. And yeah, it just was an absolute blast of an afternoon, like just a blast. It was like a 4.5 hour total ride time, and I think we did like 35k, and just, yeah, it was just awesome. So we really hope you enjoy the video, and we hope that you can get a sense of just how much fun we think mountain biking is, and how much fun we think doing that together is. I just cherish these moments. I cherish these videos. It's the reason why I edit these videos and put them up on YouTube, is so that I actually have something to watch later on in life when maybe I can't do it, or maybe he doesn't want to do it anymore, or whatever. So yeah, anyway, thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for giving it a watch, and we hope you enjoy it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's hit it.
Dirty 4!
Yeah. Wanna do this? Okay, let's do this. Let's do a rock drop in the wet. Come on, Consies. Woo! Whoa! Woo! You! Woo! Yeah. I got bucked a wee bit.
Yeah, because like coming onto it.
Yeah, there's a little thing. Yeah, we still got this one right here though. Oh yeah, that looks like a reeker. Woo! Yeah, that one's a reeker. Oh my gosh. Send it.
So sketchy.
You. Take it slow on this one. You. Oh, that one's actually really good.
Yeah, it is.
I got a little bar turn on it.
It's more like a booter, that one.
Heh.
Good. Nice.
Yeah. Fun. Woo! Oh, I'm slowing down for that. Woo! What's this? Oh, I jumped it anyway. You! You! My tires have so much grip.
That's awesome.
Like I'm plowing through this stuff. Riding through mud.
This is awesome, though, I gotta say.
Getting soaked and having fun.
Yeah, exactly.
You! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did that successfully. Woo! This is so fun though.
It is.
What?
Toxicity.
Oh, we just did that whole show.
Ready to start. Fun.
Oh my gosh, is that ever fun? It's raining.
It's definitely raining.
Oh my gosh. This is so sketchy.
Adventure riding.
Wow. Oh. What? Yep. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Camera's getting wet. Yep.
The bells are sounding a little dull.
The bells are muted because of the rain. Wet. Yes. We're on the sun.
Hey, sun shower now, baby.
Oh, I think there's a rock skinny at the beginning of Toxic City, which is right here.
Hey.
I'm pretty sure there's like a rock thing.
Hey, I'm good. Oh yeah, there is, buddy. How do you remember this stuff?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that.
How are we gonna do this? I'm gonna take a look.
Yeah, me too. Oh, man, if it was dry, no problem. I just don't know. 'Cause this rock here.
Yeah.
This rock here.
Is that wet? Like,
That's my only concern.
of course it's wet, but is it?
Not today, unfortunately. Darn it. Oh well. It is what it is. Stopped raining, so that's a plus.
Okay, we rode this 4 years ago. my tires look new. Like, I'm not even kidding, they look new.
Yeah. It's awesome. Yeah, mine are pretty good too right now.
Yeah. Look now. Yoo! What? I jumped it.
Yeah, I didn't feel bad at all, actually.
I mean, I didn't like send it. No, so, I didn't send it. I just gave it a little pop.
Yeah.
Dropping in. Here goes. one's so sketchy. Oh, this looks so sketchy.
Nice job, bud.
Thanks.
Nice job.
Thanks. That's really fun. Sender. Woo! I got that on video.
Nice.
You.
I literally have no business doing this line I'm about to do on this bike. So wish me luck.
I'm following you.
This bike is way too long for this line. I may or may not make it.
I'm following you.
Okay.
I'm yeah. Oh, I know what you're doing. Oh, I got this all day. Oh, maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. Oh,
Man,
foot down.
I have my foot down.
You want to redo?
Yeah, I feel like I can make that.
Well, I don't know. I feel like this line I'm about to do could get pretty sketchy.
Yeah.
This one right here.
You're doing that one?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's sketchy.
I'm doing it though. Okay, I'm gonna give you room. So just go.
I'm gonna stop at the bottom too.
Oh, don't. Oh, just keep going.
Okay. Oh man.
Nice. Nice. Oh my gosh. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Okay, here we go. This is actually so sketchy. I can't see if there's any sideways rocks. Thanks.
All right, I got the camera this time. Owen's gonna lead. It's Owen follow cam. It stopped raining. I don't know for how long though, but it stopped raining. A bird?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's on the trail.
oh.
It didn't make me like it's black.
Oh man.
Hold me down.
Yeah. Yep. That felt better. Yeah, yeah. I feel the log just comes out of nowhere.
Oh, it's scary.
Yeah. Yeah. Dang, that feels good. Yeah. Oh, wild man.
Here we go. Drop it.
Woo!
So good.
Dang, that feels so good.
Well, the deeper you sit on that thing, the more better it feels.
Yeah, so very true.
Oh yeah. This yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
What is this fun?
Wrong gear.
Log over.
Oh gosh.
Stretching this all the way.
Look at the bush though, like
So weird.
so crazy thick.
Yeah.
I don't know what line I'm doing.
I'm doing the big one.
Of course you are.
I'm just gonna give her.
Of course you are.
Have any idea? She's gonna follow me.
Probably.
If you don't want to follow me, should do that other one to the left.
Yeah, maybe.
To
I'll
the
see.
right.
I'll see.
The one with the log.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's pretty fun.
All right.
Just ride with your eyes closed. Can't make a decision. When you can't make a decision on what lines to do, just ride with your eyes closed.
Oh yeah. Okay, bud.
And see where you end up.
Yeah. Okay. I'm pretty sure I know where I'd end up. Woo! I took the left line. Yeah. Nice. It was good.
Yeah.
And then I went left to the big rock.
Oh, nice. So you got all the rocks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whew. This is a doozer. Phew. Yoo!
Don't jump that. I'm trying to jump that earlier and you was not fun.
I just tried, man. It bucked me right forward.
Got that one.
Nice.
Yeah, I tried to jump that one. That was hard.
Yeah.
I got on record too. Oh, sweet.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I think so, bud. Woo! You sent that deep, buddy. You did.
That moment when it's silent.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I just saw like a mouse or something.
Did you?
Yeah, it's not the trail. He ran that way.
Oh, did he? That makes two of us now. I've seen a mouseies.
Yeah, it was a small guy. You know, it was John maybe?
Jeez, bud, you're riding strong. Good job. Whew. Okay, that's a little damp there. Oh.
Oh, here's that road, have fun with that little guy.
Oh.
Look at that, we've done all of it.
Yeah, ribbons of dirt, bud.
Yeah. Let's hit it.
Let's hit it.
Hope I get my bar shirt on it, it's fine.
Oh man.
Wait for it.
Oh, deepers.
You do it?
Yeah, barely, bud.
Yeah, I'll do it the first time.
Super greasy there.
Yep.
Yeah. Swanky. Woo! That feels weird, that drop.
What?
That feels really weird, that drop.
Yeah.
It throws me around.
It does.
The first one, though, was great.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice job, buddy. It's a fun little section in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go that. We gotta go that way. Yeah. That leads us down to the bottom of Fox on the Run. We're gonna do Fox on the Run backwards.
Oh no. Oh, by the way, you're still recording.
My what?
You're still recording.
Okay.
Can I leave?
Sure. Strong riding, bud.
Yep.
Good job.
We've done as much of this, but it's the descent.
Yep. Take it when you can get it. Oh, oh, roots wet. Whew.
I don't know where to go. I'm going this way.
Okay, I'll go the other way then.
Oh, okay. Okay, mostly downhill.
Yeah, sure, whatever, bud.
Downhill here. Go that way.
Yep. It's Granddad's name trail.
Yep.
Martin up.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bud.
I'm going to the log ride.
Oh yeah. I love a good log ride. Yeah.
Later.
Nice. Tires don't slip at all, man. Yours. So sweet. I know I sound like a broken record, but man, love it.
What, MTV?
I just love MTV. All right. I was wondering. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We have the same idea. Oh. Oh, buddy, not there. Jeepers.
What?
Let's stop here, George.
No problem. Alright, come on, look.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
Love that sun shower look with the rapids.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
And down there?
Is that a turtle?
It's
Is that a lost? Okay.
Yeah.
Look how clear the water is. It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's got that sandbar look to it, too.
It does. It's actually pretty deep right there.
Yeah. I'll go for a swim.
Sure. I mean, it's not really a swim, but sure.
Okay, going to go.
You almost made me fall that way.
No, I would have got you. All right, buddy.
I mean, I wouldn't mind falling that way.
This is pretty here. This is beauty.
I just want to see here for a bit.
Okay. It's good with me. I'll get your picture there.
Take a video. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Woo! Okay, don't look up.
No. Oh man. We're done now, bud.
Yep. Whoa. You see that?
No.
Something fell heavy from the tree.
Oh,
Right in front of me.
oh gosh.
Oh my god.
It's official now, buddy.
Yep.
We're wet. You good? Okay. Owen's got a lightning bug. Here, I'm gonna turn the light off.
Yep. Very active.
Oh, he's out.